me show you how to make a pistol stitch. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using a milliner's 1 needle. It looks like this because a pistol stitch is a wrap stitch, and when you are doing wrap stitches, you need to use a milliner's needle. This is a size 1. It matches the pearl cotton number 5 that I am using here. It is a Sue Spargo Eleganza EZM 62. To start this stitch, you're going to bring your needle to the front of your work, wherever you want the stitch to be. And we're just going to start in the middle of this flower here. And we're going to come to the top. You're going to wrap your thread around the needle. And instead of doing what would be a French knot, where you would go back down where you came out, you're just going to come down a little bit away from where the stitch is going to end, just like this. Now I've wrapped 2 times. You can wrap 1 time, 3 times, 4 times, but for here, I'm just gonna do it 2 times. So I've wrapped it. I'm using my thumb to hold the stitch in place, and then I'm gonna pull my needle through. And that makes an easy pistol stitch. Now you can also make them different heights. If you want, you can do a little tacking stitch. You can couch over the leg of this pistol stitch by just going up to the top and going back down. And that kind of tacks the leg in place. But let's do a few more. So we're gonna bring our needle to the front of our work. Now, if you're left-handed or right-handed, this stitch is worked in the same exact way. So you would use your right hand instead of your left. I'm gonna wrap, I'm gonna go back down and bring my needle to the back of my work. Let's do it again. So we're gonna come up to the top. Let's wrap it 3 times and see what it looks like. So we're gonna wrap 1, 2, 3, and we'll make it short this time. And we'll see what it looks like. You can kind of see the difference in the knots. Makes a little bit of a bigger knot. So let's do it 1 more time. We're gonna come up to the top. We're going to wrap 3 times this time. And we're gonna take our needle to the back of our work, hold the stitch in place, and it makes a little knot. And that is how you do the pistol stitch.